Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I've had an idea that I'm going to make some sort of wall arty piece using this Vans bag, which kindly provided from the Vans shop in Cardiff. Okay, yeah, so my idea was I could put it into some kind of frame. So we have a few options of frames. Probably shouldn't have done that. Let me move this chair. So yeah, we've got a few options of frames. My opinion, I don't even know why I bothered using this in a video because I'm not going to use this frame because it's so I'll put this over here. Okay, the knife's already stabbing the bag, which I didn't really expect that to happen. Okay, so the initial frame that I thought would be... Do you want to come join? Come here then. Come on then. Come join. Up. Good boy. Come on. Come play with that. Okay. This is Ollie, by the way. So yeah, I went into the charity shop and I found this cool frame. I know what you're thinking. This looks like something your grandmother made. It probably is.
It's a spicy meatball.
Alright, so without this being like a weird... It's already fucking weird, isn't it, guys?
I haven't even started.
I've got so much to do today. Okay, this is the frame that I'm going to be using today. So my idea was to get this Vans bag. There's another piece to this puzzle as well. I might be using some parts of the Vans box because that has like a image over... It just has logos on it, okay? It just has logos on it. That's what I'm trying to say. I know we need to get this hand-stitched mural piece of shite out of the way. I've got two sides just in case I fuck up the first side. See? Uno, dos, tres. Start by that, by using this knife and detaching it from this. Did put it on. Ow! Oh! Let's do some arty shots. Yeah, not really arty, but you get what I mean. Alright, I'm gonna do one of them cool things when you click your fingers and it's done as soon as you click your fingers ready. This is probably not, I don't even want to do it this way. Why am I, okay. You know in your video, right, you start doing things all Art Attack way because, you know, we think we're fucking the shit. Yes, screw, right? Anyone? Yeah, so I've got these. I'm going to use these to frame it back up later. The thing, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, that's it. That's everything. That's all I got, really. Funny thing is, if I was on my own right now, I probably would have just given up and not even bothered taking out all of these. Just making this video is giving me that slight more percentage to pull out these fucking nails. We can finally remove this from here. There we go. And now I've got a lovely nice template. Follow me. This specific area called the bin. Yeah. So I can't even speak. So this is where we are at. I can put against that box I want to use. Oh fuck. Don't know what I can do with this. Maybe trim the edges with this logo or something. Who knows? We have the box here as well. Like I said, I'm not sure fully what I can do with this box yet. Pieces of glass. Too much sense to me, but yeah, I made the decision to clean it with some alcohol. Like, I'm not in the sense of alcohol as in an actual cleaner. I just literally just used Russian standard vodka to clean it. It worked. It did get off some of the fucking impurities. Okay. Let's start by actually making this into a workable thing. Oh, there's my receipt. Okay, so which side looks more reasonable? Let's have a look. So I've got this side, looks a little bit crinkly. This side, fuck, and put it on the template. Okay. Fully just cutting on the strap line. Not that you guys really need to know, it's not really a tutorial. It should show me where I'm at. Is that going to be in the middle though? Yeah, it should be. At least I can rub it out, eh? It's paper at the end of the day, so... Alright. You'd be bothered for that. Who uses scissors anyway? Yeah guys, fun tip, right? If you use a plastic ruler and you use one of these X-Acto kind of blades, surgical blades, whatever you want to call them, hobby craft blades, what happens is you basically cut the ruler away every time you use it. It's so funny because I would have like not even bothered making this video. I would have given up. I was doing it by myself. But now I got to commit, so I guess it's fun. I don't even know. I want to try iron all the creases out. Is that a stupid idea? Really? Okay. So we're left with this. What the fuck am I doing? It's got a crease going down it. That's just because of the way the bag was folded. I think maybe on my part, that didn't go so well. So my plan is now, instead of trying to spend like an hour trying to take that wrinkle, that fold out of it by ironing or something like that, which I know I could probably do, I was thinking I'm going to use this logo, cut out a strip for the bottom and the top, maybe try that. Like, I'm not going to make the border any thicker than this width of this line here, because if really I don't really want a border, but no, I kind of do because I wanted to use this anyway, so might as well go full out, innit? So we just got to measure now. It turns out that I can't find my ruler anywhere, so that's kind of upsetting, but whatever. Just cutting. This is my left hand. I was trying to show it on a video, but my left hand doesn't seem to be able to cut. And if you guys are wondering why I'm also not using a special cutting mat for X-Acto blades, it's because I do have one, but I can't find it! Just like I can't find anything else in my life. This is why I hate doing things like this. I also love doing stuff like this. Okay. So I've got a borderline I can now use, hopefully. That's gonna look pretty sick. Okay. Second one done. Okay, so I'm going to super glue this onto here. Pretty straightforward. Okay, got the glue in position. Now hopefully all I have to do is to place this on like this. So far this is what it's looking like. So I had to bring this up a little bit and it was a tiny mistake right in the corner, but it'll go fine. It's going to sort itself out. The end product should be decent though. Might as well test it, the whole thing, just so far, just so I can get a a okay. I don't know how well this is going to fit in here yet. Okay. So this is what it's looking like so far. No, it's gonna be fine. I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. So it's looking okay so far. Okay, that should be. Whew, I'm gonna get high in here now. Okay. Question is, how do I do this without messing everything up? I literally messed up everything today, but that's fine. Use some extra force to make sure I don't mess up this line, to be honest. Okay. Literally just gonna use a little bit like that because any more and it won't really. Let's see if this fits in. Damn it. And as you can see, there's loads of little fibers kind of sticking on the edge. I'm going to sort that out now. I have these mini files here, so I'm going to literally get one of the mini files and yeah, kind of just make sure there's no bits on the edge. So when it comes to me presenting this bad boy to no one, I don't need it like completely perfect on the top, just so the front view is okay. So nothing, so as long as it's not noticeable, it'll be okay. Got 20% battery, that should be more than enough for this, to finish this off. Am I seriously gonna run out of super glue right now? Fudge. Quid, literally. And that's why they were quid, I realise now, because there's literally nothing in them at all. Okay. This doesn't have to be dead perfect or anything, but it has to be okay. Oh shit. Even pressure, even pressure. Okay. We are nearly done. Cool. Okay. I'll pop this in, like so. Pop this in, like so. Let me just do all these. And we can see what it's gonna look like. I'm not even gonna look at it first before I turn it around, because I literally cannot be asked to change anything else. Okay, and there we go. I think it looks sick, guys. I'm gonna do the last finishing touches on it now. I'm gonna put the strap on the back, and then I will put it on the wall, and I will show you guys what this looks like. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna use with those 2 screws which I had earlier. What you doing? Hey? Wanna come see? Come on then. Let's go upstairs. You wanna come see? Come on. This is my room. I've got my guitars here. I've got my keyboard there. Yeah, this is all my stuff. And then over here is where I've decided to put it. So I think it looks pretty good. I'm actually very pleased with how this turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it because it will mean a lot to me. And most importantly, subscribe. If you guys have any ideas of other things I can do like this, then please leave a comment or ask me any questions, anything like that. With all that said, see you guys soon.